Good morning. We are in, I should have checked how to pronounce and spell this name. All right, good morning. We are in Nuku Hiva, and this is where we made landfall after our Pacific crossing. But unfortunately, we've been pretty much confined to the boat for a week, and so we're in this spectacularly beautiful anchorage. There's a lot of strict regulations on shore to protect everybody from the coronavirus, and so I've gone on shore once to go to the grocery store and gone through a series of checkpoints and things like that, but that's been it. So we haven't been able to hike or do anything like that. And there's some people that will be allowed to stay here in the harbor. There's probably about 70 boats, and they're usually maybe 15 or 20, this time of year. And so they're moving a lot of the traffic to Tahiti, and that's where we're heading this morning. And so we're gonna sail off and make our way to Tahiti, and then at that point we're not exactly sure what's going to happen, but most likely Camille and I are going to fly out, and Alec and Laura are going to maybe try to either wait it out or store the boat and call it a season. So we're kind of bummed about it, but there's a lot of other boats in the same situation as us. There's nothing we can do about it, and I guess everybody around the world's kind of confined and under quarantine. And so we're heading out, and it's about a 750-mile passage to Tahiti. We're actually considering stopping in a remote Tuamotus for a couple nights just to get a chance to swim and be off the boat, but I don't know if that's going to make the cut or not. But anyhow, we're definitely kind of wanting to savor this last week, and that might be it for this round. The bay is very, very pretty. There's very steep, dramatic hills and mountains, and everybody on shore was very nice. It's just unusual circumstances. So we're gonna head out and do about a 5 to 7 day passage and get ourselves to Tahiti and see what's next.